Hi, I'm Tui, and this is my take on news. For those of you who don't know, I live in Atlanta, Georgia. And the biggest thing that is happening in Atlanta, Georgia at this moment is the Eddie Long case. Bishop Eddie Long is being charged for molesting, I think it's 4 boys now, when they were under his mentorship. Personally, I think that's the grossest thing I've ever heard. If Eddie Long did those things, then he deserves everything that he gets. Because that's nasty, Mr. Long. Why would you do that? That is gross. You can't be just playing with little boys' booty holes. That doesn't even sound right. You're a man. You're a black man. And black men don't do those things. At least not in public. Anywho, you can't be doing that, Mr. Eddie Long. You can't be playing with little boys' booty holes and stuff. But my problem with this case is, the boys said that all of this happened when they were teenagers, you know, around 15, 16, 17 years old. And it's like, you're 15 and 16 years old. How do you not know that somebody playing with your booty hole is not a good thing? But I guess they just didn't think it was the wrong thing to do, so they let Mr. Long play with their booty holes. That's gross. You should have known better. And now you want to sue the man because, what, he's not giving you any more money? Well, too bad. Go get a job. Stop trying to steal a man's career or something. Gosh, that's gross. And then when Mr. Long made his first statement, you know, the very first thing he said was, I am David, and this situation is Goliath, and I have 5 stones, and I haven't thrown them yet, so be careful, or something of that sort. I thought it was hilarious. Really? You're David and this situation is Goliath, right? So you're going to throw a stone and everything's going to be okay? Great. And then one of the guys who's accusing Mr. Long of molesting him, he made a statement saying, I'll never forget his body odor and how he smelled the smell of his cologne and driving home in my car. I can never take enough showers to get that smell off of me. Really? Honestly, either he's the greatest actor I've ever met, or Mr. Long really did those things. But either way, I think it's all bogus because, I mean, if you're a teenager, you should have known that those things are wrong and that someone touching your booty hole is not the right thing. And even if he's your mentor, you should have known. I think we need to go and send all of these kids back to, you know, some type of morals class so that they learn these things. You know, listen, little guys, somebody touching your booty hole is not a good thing. That is a bad thing. Don't let nobody do it, okay? It's the wrong thing to do. Wait, there is more. I went to a pizza place the other day. One of the pizza places right down the street from where I live. It's my favorite pizza place. It has the greatest pizza ever. And I just happened to be in the pizza place when this girl walks in who's a member of Bishop Eddie Long's church. And they were kind of just talking about Bishop Eddie Long. She walks in, she goes, don't do that. Don't talk about my bishop. I love my bishop, and you know, they're accusing him of something and he didn't really do anything, and you know, it's not right. So the guy who owns the pizza place, he was like, oh yeah? Really? Then how did they get pictures of what happened? Well, those boys stole his cell phone. They did that themselves. So they also text messages to her own phone. Yeah, he got his phone stolen back in August, and all this stuff was texted back in August. Oh yeah? Well, pay attention to the news, young lady. These boys are accusing him of something that happened when they were younger. So even if they did steal his phone back in August, could they have sent and redated the messages for a later date? No, they couldn't have. That's stupid. Think about it. You're an idiot. Stop being stupid. No. Ow. Yeah, that's what I think about this whole situation. It's pretty stupid, pretty bogus, but everybody wants to be on television now. It's all about reality TV. This is Tui logging off on my take on news. Peace out.